Dubai, the city of dreams. Skyscrapers that touch the clouds, luxury hotels, golden deserts, and shopping like nowhere else on earth. Everyone wants to come here, but nobody tells you the full truth. Because only heaven is perfect, and Dubai is no exception. In this video, I'm revealing the 7 biggest tourist traps in Dubai in 2026 that could cost you hundreds of dollars if you're not prepared. I'm not here to scare you away from Dubai. I love this city, but I want you to visit it the right way, enjoy every single moment, and come back home with zero regrets. If you're planning a trip to Dubai in 2026, watch this video before you book anything. Let's get into it. Trap number 1, airport taxi scams. The second you land at Dubai International Airport, you'll find people offering you cheap rides outside the official taxi system. The problem? You could end up paying 3x the real price before you even reach your hotel. How to avoid it? Only use the official RTA taxis or trusted apps like Careem and Uber. Faster, safer, and way cheaper. Trap number 2, misleading desert safari deals. You've seen the ads. Desert safari only $30. Then you arrive and realize half the activities listed aren't included in that price. The problem? You end up paying double or triple by the end of the tour. How to avoid it? Book only through reputable companies like Platinum Heritage or Arabian Adventures and read every single detail before you pay. Trap number 3, the Gold Souk bargains. The Gold Souk is real and genuinely amazing, but some vendors try to sell gold-plated or fake jewelry at the price of real gold. The problem? If you don't know what you're looking at, you can lose your money fast. How to avoid it? Only buy from shops certified by the Dubai Gold and Jeweler Group, and always check the carat stamp on the piece. Trap number 4, tourist restaurants near Burj Khalifa. The area around Burj Khalifa means one thing: sky-high prices for average food. The problem? You're paying for the location, not the quality. How to avoid it? Have your dinner in Jumeirah or Al Barsha, same quality, half the price. Then head back to Burj Khalifa just for the view and the photos. Trap number 5, free hotel packages. Free 2-night stay in Dubai. Sound familiar? The problem? There's always a hidden condition. Sit through a long real estate presentation or pay surprise fees you never saw coming. How to avoid it? If a deal looks too good to be true, Google it before you say yes. Always. Trap number 6, Dubai Mall hidden costs. Dubai Mall is free to enter, but the moment you walk in, your wallet is in serious danger. The problem? Entertainment tickets, restaurant prices, and parking fees all stack up incredibly fast. How to avoid it? Set a clear budget before you go in and know exactly what you want to do. Don't wander in blind. Trap number 7, photography scams. In some tourist spots, people will offer to take your photo, then demand a surprisingly large amount of money once they're done. The problem? No price was agreed up front, and suddenly you feel too awkward to say no. How to avoid it? Always agree on a price before they take a single shot, or just bring a tripod and do it yourself. Dubai is genuinely one of the most magical cities on the planet. But remember, only heaven is perfect. The difference between a bad trip and an unforgettable one is simply having the right information at the right time. And now, you have it. Go enjoy Dubai the smart way.